Okay. All right.
Hi guys, this is the
yes.
backyard of the house in Ciudad del Sol. Over there we have an space when you have like pre-installation of jacuzzi. You can put a jacuzzi over there and transform that backyard in a wonderful space to enjoy with family and friends, or rent it and get more money with your property. You have a
Perfect.
barbecue over there, and there is the pre-installation of the jacuzzi. The
Okay.
neighbor over there did that, so you can see how can be a den if you do it. Take a look of that.
So you can add a jacuzzi.
Yeah.
If you notice, the same style buildings. Hold on, let me get the ISO right for you guys. Okay. It's really nice. So you can get a jacuzzi here. Notice the styles of the building. Sorry about the color. I'll color correct. Okay. Beautiful.
Actually, you have this entrance. You have this entrance, which is from the outside. So if you have a party, let's say, in your backyard, the people can get in through the street directly to the party.
Perfect. Perfect. I like that.
Yeah.
Perfect. So if you notice, you got this whole
Yeah.
side garden and the entrance for guests to come see you on this side. Okay. And I will leave the description. There we go. All right, there we go. Sorry about the color, folks. So quickly again, there's jacuzzi hookup here. Okay. This is the style of the buildings. We're in Veron, punta cana. I'm starting over, sorry. You can add a jacuzzi for a little bit of extra. I'll tell you about the cost in the description of this place, and see this person, the neighbor, has put in the jacuzzi. Look at the beautiful architecture. Beautiful architecture. Okay. Beautiful here. Black Water Soul. Hit that like button, subscribe. I'll leave the price and description in the bottom of this video. Okay, these are beautiful units. Okay, beautiful units. Okay. So I'll tell you right now, these units are gorgeous. The price, you won't believe. I can't talk about it because there's a tenant here right now. But I'll leave my details to get at me, and I'll put you in touch. You can buy it cash. You can do it. I'll give you all the details of how you can buy it. But I'll tell you right now, it's under 100,000. This is gorgeous. Okay. And I'll also include another video. I believe it comes fully furnished, but I'll leave the detail. Does this one come fully furnished? No, this one you have to get your own furniture, but they can take care of that with the agency. They have all the connections to furniture places and stores and everything. Okay, Black Water, so hit that like, subscribe.